Harbour School. So we just came back from the last few weeks, which are some of my most favorite parts of being at the Harbour School. You know, the other day I was giving a tour, and sometimes when I give a tour, I show new students or new parents around to the school. And somebody asked me what makes the Harbour School really unique. And I had to think for a second. But then I thought, you know what, a lot of schools do is they just kind of try to stuff a lot of knowledge into kids. And I think what we do really well here at the school is we try to get kids to know what they're really into and interested in, as well as understand a lot of new information. So I wanted to thank our librarians, especially Miss Selena and Miss Ariel, for doing exactly that. They just really brought out a lot of your passions with the last passion project activity, where it was so neat. I saw a fairy, I saw knitting stuff, I saw paintings of cats, which was phenomenal. I saw a space elevator, so many things that you're into, and I learned so much from you. But most importantly, I was very inspired by you and by everything that you're interested in. And I wanted to share a little bit of that passion project review with you. Here it is. I'm with Simon and Aurelius, and they're going to show me how to play a game. I'm very bad at playing video games, so let's see.
So basically, you just control your airplane and then click to like destroy your airplane.
Okay, I think I can handle that. Let me try. So, wait. Oh, okay, there.
Click.
Oh, and then you make it move up and down.
Yeah.
On it.
Yeah.
Cool. A video game I can win. Thank you, guys.
Welcome.
Hi, Michelle. So I'm looking at your project, King of Rings, and I want to ask you a question. So what was your big learning from being a jewelry maker?
Well, tying the ring wasn't easy, and there's some challenges that you need to solve. If you can't solve them, you have to ask for help.
Okay, we are about to start a Rubik's Cube challenge. Are you ready?
Yep.
And go. Wow. Congratulations. This is, super fast. Really good job, guys. Excellent job. So that was amazing, Jeremy. So how long have you been training for the Rubik's Cube?
I started in July, and I came on my trip on UK, and I think I was going quite well. And I do have a Canon 11 on Pro, and I'm still practicing.
Wow. So how much time each day were you practicing this?
20 minutes.
20 minutes every day.
Yeah.
Hi, Nayantara and Isabel.
Hi.
This is take 2. So you are actually talking about one of my most favorite topics ever, which are dogs.
Yes.
Then and now.
Yes.
So what made you interested in this topic?
Well, we wanted to explain how people would treat dogs differently in the past and how they do now and the differences.
And last question, which dog do you feel like reminds you of you? Don't tell me St. Bernard, because you look nothing like a St. Bernard.
Exactly. It's probably a German Shepherd because they're smart, they're jumpy, and then they can do a lot.
Okay, and that's you?
Yeah.
And Isabel?
For me, I think it's a German Shepherd.
Also, so you'd be twins.
Yeah, wait.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, so we're gonna check out the Ziz team. That's Zahan, Ian, and Zach, and the game that they created, which is right over here. What's the inspiration for this game?
I was actually a game that Zach showed me. It was on Scratch also.
Okay.
It's called Agent 1.
Agent 1?
Yeah, and also it's like a parkour game that we like to play. I like playing parkour games.
What's a parkour game?
It's like where you have to jump over things or like a platformer.
Ah.
I did like Donkey Kong, for instance.
Oh, yeah, that's like, and Mario, right?
Yeah.
Super Mario. But Mario Kart is not a parkour game.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna play Night Ninja by the Z team. It says play. And I go WASD. Oh, I'm just jumping. Okay, did I pass the level?
No, you have to go to
You
the
got
blue
an
thing.
E dot.
Wait, why did it? It died already.
Yeah. It's not.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it's not right.
Don't copy me, guys. Not easy. Bye. So huge round of applause to everybody here at the Harbour School for making that happen. I love seeing what you're passionate about, and I love having learned something, whether you were 4 years old or 12 or 13 years old. I'm really happy that that happened. So a huge shout out again to our librarians for making passion projects an incredible week for everybody. Speaking of being passionate about stuff, we have a special guest, and that is Hero, who's here with his best friend, Zach. Remember Zach? Animal Quiz Zach? Well, Zach is here with Hero, and they're going to tell you even more stuff about animals, but this time with Hero as a special guest. Take it away, Zach and Hero.
Konnichiwa, my name is Zach Oliver Pong from 5A yet again, and today we have a very, very special guest. Say hello, or konnichiwa, because he's Japanese, to my beautiful Shiba Inu, Hiro, or Hiro. Hiro Hokkaido Pong, or Hiro Hokkaido Pong. So, today, we are going to be doing the second part of the glorious animal quiz. So, let's get started. Boom! Okay, first question. What is a maned wolf? Is it a wolf or is it just a large fox? Your turn to answer. 10 seconds. Go! It's neither. It's just a large wild dog that has a link between both of them. So, and they're becoming threatened. They're near threatened because they're threatened by habitat destruction and also they can't really run fast. But they don't really have many predators except humans. Well, but their long legs help them see over the tall grass. Well, but considering that they have long legs, they aren't very fast, but I'd say they're faster than a human. So, okay, next question. Good luck, guys. What's giant, venomous, and only lives on a few remote islands of Indonesia? It's your turn to answer. 3, 2, 1, go! 10 seconds. Oh, Hero, don't even think about going there. See, he's already, yeah. Hero, no, you're not going to that island. It's so dangerous. They're gonna kill you. Oh, well, guys, funny you should ask. What is the answer? Yes, it's a Komodo dragon. The largest lizard in the world lives on a few remote islands of Indonesia, and it was named after the island of Komodo. These very aggressive, bloodthirsty lizards are the largest in the world, about 12 feet long and 300 pounds. And they're venomous because of their saliva. They have very harmful bacteria in them. So, and they're also cannibals. They eat deer, huge animals, even humans, birds, and even each other. So, and they hardly ever eat plants. So, cannibalistic lizard alert! Oh, no! The only venomous primate is ... Well, your turn to answer. Go! Hope I didn't scare you there. Oh, baby Hero. Lucky that we don't have him in Hong Kong. Okay, fine. 10 seconds, go. The answer is, drum roll please, the slow loris of Southeast Asia. Yes! This loris is very cute. It's actually the only venomous primate in the world that actually has a deadly secret behind its arms or fur. So you may have seen videos of slow lorises being extremely cute when tickled, raising their arms, but it's actually a defense mechanism because they're feeling extremely threatened. And they have poison glands, or venom glands, whatever you call it, on their elbows. So, and they lick the gland to release more venom with their tongue, which their saliva has a lot of harmful bacteria, for which means it is venomous. And they have similar traits with cobras, like venom, similar markings, they even hiss and even move like a snake. I mean, looking like a snake or acting like a snake would scare off predators. So, and a bite from a slow loris is no joke at all. So if you get bitten by one, chances are you'll be dead. Because their venom has a lot of toxin, so, or it's the other way around, but it has a lot of venom, so it can kill you. And those who survive will experience a lot of pain and swelling, but we are actually more threatening to them than they are to us because they are endangered. They are endangered because of hunting and habitat degradation. So if you want to see lorises, don't tickle them, it's torturing them. And support www.ticklingitstorture.com, or just don't keep them as pets. Just respect their environment and habitat, and you should be fine. And they are quite shy, so they also smell quite bad, so you don't want to get near them. Okay, so guys, I think this is it. So Hero, you'll be back soon for the next few parts, right? So yes, thank you, and sayonara. And how many questions did you get right? I hope you will get a perfect mark on each of them. So I'm gonna be watching you very closely. Anyways, thank you. My name is Zach Oliver Pong from 5A. If you want to say hi, just go to 5A. So bye.
So our learner goal for this month, actually, where we had Arts Interim and the Passion Project, is very fittingly being innovative. I know a lot of you already know that, but I'm just going to review. What is the difference between being creative and being innovative? Here's 10 seconds. Go. And if you said that being creative is coming up with new and useful ideas, and being innovative is actually implementing those ideas and improving on those ideas, then you would be correct. So I thought, rather than continue to talk all about being innovative, I thought we would play a fun game, and it's called Are You More Innovative Than a Blank? So I'm now going to go to the 4th grade, and we're going to have a challenge for them. And that challenge is going to be timed. And while you're watching that challenge happen, I'm going to ask you in your classrooms to do the same thing. And so we'll see who actually ends up doing it in a faster time. Okay? Okay, we're going to go and interrupt grade 4 doing art. Guys, we have a challenge for the Tide Show, and people are going to be competing against you. So are you ready for the challenge? It's time for you to get up. Come on, get up out of your seats, or get up off the floor. And time to listen to the challenge. And when I say it's time to go now in the video, you have to do the same thing. Go. Okay, are you ready for the challenge? Yeah. Okay. All right. So here's the challenge. And if you don't want to join, that's okay. You just stay and continue working. So here's the challenge. Without saying anything, you have to line yourselves up in terms of your birth month from January all the way to December, but you're not allowed to say anything. Ready? The timer is starting now. Are we done? Okay, hands down. Ready? Let's check this. When is your birthday?
October 19th.
Oh, wait, October. No, this must be January. Okay, all right. What's your birthday?
January 29th.
January 29?
February 14th.
Okay.
February 24th.
Oh, wow.
March 14th.
March 14th?
June.
June?
August.
Okay.
September. September.
You're also September what?
Oh, 24th.
Okay.
26th.
Okay.
October 2nd.
October 2nd? And so where are you supposed to go? There. Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, grade 4. So we hope you had a lot of fun with that challenge. There you have it. You can see whether you are more innovative than one of our 4th grade classes. Okay, well, one example of innovation happened at Arts Interim. I was really happy to be part of Mr. Hussein's group of middle schoolers who wanted to make a choose your own adventure video. So this is going to take you a little bit of time, so you can come back to this video maybe during snack time. But just so you know, here's the link if you want to play their choose your own adventure game. All right, well, thank you so much for being part of this episode. I want to hear from you. So if you'd like to be part of the Tide Show, or if you think about something with being innovative, please do email me at cgreenberg@ths.edu.hk. And meanwhile, continue thinking outside of the box and making everything happen. It's your adventure. Have a wonderful week.